Please answer me this question. Did our education system really teach us how to live a beautiful life? Or was it a system which taught us, you know what, you have to study well, you have to get good percentage in your school, then only you'll get a good college. Again, there also you have to study well, then only you will be selected to a job, a very good job in a very good company for with 15, 20, 25,000 salary, and then your life is settled. That is what we have been trained for, right? But how much of what you have studied is really useful for your life is a question. So basically, for a graduation, people study at least for 15, 20 years, 10 years of schooling, LKG, UKG, in kindergarten, first and second POC, and then 4 years of graduation. At least 18 to 20 years they would have studied. For what? To get that job, right? See, after 2, 3 years, most of us realize we don't even like our job, or it's not like we hate it, or at least we don't like it, or neutral. It's not like we like it, it's not that we'll hate it also. Somewhere neutral, I can manage. Very few get into that category of they really like what they do, right? So why I'm saying all these things is because it is so funny sometimes to think, friends. It is really very funny. 18, 20 years of education. Has somebody taught you what is money, why it is important, how to make money, how to create wealth, where does it come from? Anything about money? No, 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 no. You're given pocket money and they'll teach you you should manage your money within whatever amount they give you. You should know how to manage money. You should not talk about money because it's always elder's job, right? But the funny part is 18, 20 years of education, we would have put our time, energy, and parents' money into it, where we know nothing about money, where we are not taught anything about money, only to end up after graduation, the rest of our life, doing something to make money. We do something after graduation to make money, which we were taught nothing about in our entire education. Is this not funny? So, basics of investment, basics of wealth management, how do you create a legacy? All these are beautiful life skills which has to be taught in our education system. This is all about wealth. What about health? Health is wealth, this proverb. Except for this, what else are we taught? Of course, in some science subjects we should have taught, we were taught vitamin A, B, C, D, E, K, right? And some minerals are really very important for health. But how many of us have really studied it, right? Because to understand the health. No, we would have studied just to get marks. Correct. So health is wealth. Why health is really very important? Nervous system, endocrine system, the all about hormones. What about respiratory system, digestive system, reproductive system, immune system, integumentary system, circulatory system, nerve and muscular system, skeletal system. So all these things. Why endocrine system and nervous system are really very important? I'm not saying the other systems. Of course, heart is very important. Circulatory system is very important. But it's like Pareto principles, like that 80-20 rule, right? If something goes wrong in nervous system and endocrine system, then obviously everything is going to go wrong. Why are we not taught the basics of health? If somebody scolds me, I'll be sad. I'll sit and cry. Otherwise, I'll be angry and scold him back. If somebody praises me, I'll be happy. I'll be happy if somebody praises me. That means I am an emotional slave. Whatever should happen inside me is dependent on the other person's response towards me. Is that not emotional slavery? If at all I had been taught, let the other person say what they want, let the other person do what they want. If I know that how to keep my emotions in my own control, so that I am a person of emotional freedom, not a person of that emotional slave. I'm not an emotional slave, but a person with having freedom in emotions, like emotional freedom. Nobody taught us how to have your emotions in your control, which is a very important life skill. And then what about relationships? We don't have time to spend with our family, with our parents, with our children, with our life partner, because we are running behind job. We have to upgrade our skills, otherwise we are going to get fired, right? We have to keep on upgrading our skills. See, that's good. But the question is, we are not spending time with our family. We are not at all nurturing our relationships. Then what good is it? Has somebody told us how to have great relationships in life? Nobody taught us, which is also a very important life skill. So, what I'm trying to say is, all those beautiful, important life skills we are not at all taught in our 18-20 years of our education. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. 1920, Annie Besant started Theosophical Society. Dayanand Saraswati back to the Vedas. Arya Samaj, Brahma Samaj, Tata Samaj. 1498, Vasco da Gama discovered America. 1930, Dundee March. 1942, Quit India movement. I still remember my second PUC experiment. 2 atoms of potassium with 2 atoms of aluminium with 4 atoms of sulfur dioxide combined with 24 molecules of water. It will give you potash alum, K2Al2SO4, thrice 2,4H2O. Oh my god, why the hell do I remember all these things? Because somebody told me 10th standard and second PUC marks are life changers. So I studied and studied and studied and studied. Only to realize most of what I studied is of no use for my life. I'm telling, I do not have the credibility to say whether they are really useful or not. I'm just trying to say most of what I studied is of not of any use to my life. And of course, for most of us, it's the same case. So instead of teaching the essential life skills, we have been taught those formula, those history, good, very good. But not at the cost of not teaching the life skills. So please, if you are a parent, right, or if you know some children, please make sure that you teach them life skills. This is really very important, friends, because Corona last year in 2020, many people lost their jobs, right? A fresher is not having money because he didn't get a job. 2 years experienced person is not having money with 10,000 salary and they don't have a job because they lost due to Corona. Same story. 5 years experience, no money. 10 years experience, no money. 20 years, 30 years experience, no money. 10,000 per month salary, no money. 50,000 per month salary, no money. 1 lakh per month salary, no money. 5 lakhs per month salary, no money. What is happening? Irrespective of experience, irrespective of the income, they don't have money. Very few have, right? Why? Now you can ask me, Ramya, do you have? No, I was also not having. Even I am a victim, right? Even I learned that lesson the hard day, that you should have at least saved some amount of money, because those dark days will come. And when you do not get income, then you can utilize those savings. It is a lesson that even I learned the hard way. Right? So what is happening? We make sure that we increase our expenses which matches our income. I repeat, we make sure we increase our expenses which matches our income. Our income we got promotion, or we got hike, or we switched our career or job, so we got increase, 30% hike. We make sure our expenses will also increase, friends. So let's not make this mistake. If at all this was taught in our education system, do you think most of us wouldn't have ended up being a victim, right? So please make sure that our children, we should not make them to undergo the same life cycle. At least nothing can be done. We have to go to school. It's the same education system. At least as parents, let's make sure that we teach them life skills before teaching them. See, preaching, no use. But if we have walked the path, so that they will be observing us. Oh, my parents have done it, so even I'll do it. If you have not done it, and if you tell your children to do it, or anybody, do you think they're going to listen? No, right? So let's build that credibility. Let us walk the path and be an example. See, these are the life skills. Make sure that you learn the skills. School important, syllabus important, but not at the cost of life skill, friends. So please share this message with your friends and family. This is really very important, especially for all those parents and maybe grandparents, for all those people who are about to become parents, and especially with teenagers and children also, because let them learn the skill as young as possible, right? So please share, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification icon. Keep supporting and let's grow together. See you in the next video. Bye.